to my channel, and today we're going to be making some Oreos ice cream. And I'll tell you, my process and recipe for making this ice cream is so easy and straightforward. I only use 3 ingredients. You can imagine how easy that is, and I'm gonna take you through the processes. So I'm using whipping cream. I'm gonna be using the old bottle, which is 300 ml, and condensed milk. So depending on how sweet you want it, if you're not someone that really likes sweet stuff, I would say go for like maybe 200 ml of this. But I'm making this for my friend and I, and she really needs to be taxed for the sugar she takes. And I'm sure she's going to watch this and come for me, but so I'm going to put the whole can of the condensed milk because of that. And I've got some Oreos here. So I've not really crushed them too smooth because I'm still going to use the mixer to mix them in, and I really want some of the chunks in, so I decided to leave it this way. And this is another thing that I use my food processor for. So my food processor has got the whisk attachment, and I'm just going to use that to make the ice cream instead of having to get a mixer or anything of sort. So to start with, I've got whipping cream for mine, but if you can't find whipping cream, you can use double cream. That will do the ice cream also. So to start with, I'm going to empty this in here, and then I'm going to whisk it with the machine, and then I'll add the condensed milk and the Oreos. So let's do that. Okay, and I was going to say, when you whisk the whipping cream, make sure you whisk it to have it has like peaks like this, so you need to whisk it for a bit of time. And then I'm going to add the condensed milk, and I'm gonna put that back on the machine. When you've mixed that together and it's mixed properly, so you can see the consistency of this one. I'll use this spoon to show you. You see the consistency. You have to get it to something like that. Then I'm just going to add the Oreos. And to be fair, you don't have to use the mixer for this base. You can just use, depending on how you want the Oreos to come out. If you want them to be chunky like this, if you want them to be mashed, or if you want them to just be properly incorporated. I'm just going to put it on the machine for a few minutes to mix everything together, because I like it when they're properly incorporated. But yeah, and I'm going to put this in the freezer overnight, and then I'll show you the product tomorrow. But like I said, it's pretty easy to make, and you don't have to use a lot of ingredients. And if people are in a place where they can't find the whipping cream, look for double cream. And I've actually made ice cream with the Kerrygold double cream before. It was amazing. So if you can't find that wherever you are, that's even better. Okay, and for people in like UK or places where they can get stuff like that, I got the one I use from Waitrose. Normally I used to get it from Sainsbury's, but I didn't see it in any of their shops this time. So check Waitrose and you'll be able to find the whipping cream. So I've put this in a bowl that I'm going to store in the freezer overnight, and then it's gonna be solid by then. So yeah, I'm going to show you the consistency I've got here again, just to so you can see how thick it is, and the chunks are still in there. They've not, like, some of them are squirted about, but they're still in there. So that's what I wanted anyway. And I'm going to leave this in the freezer overnight, and yep, see how it comes out tomorrow. Everyone, this is our ice cream after it's been in the freezer overnight, and it's solidified now. A perfect Oreo ice cream. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.